buddy. It's okay, Scout. The cat's just giving us some space. You got your elephant.
There goes the wiggle worm again.
He's not slowing down.
Nope, and look at Tucker, still the picture of patience. Meanwhile, the cat's making a full detour. Smart cat.
Okay, buddy, the view will still be there. Good girl, Maple. You gonna go, little one? Oakley says nope. And now the cat's confused.
Easy, buddy. You're okay, Whiskers. Give the puppy a pat. Careful, buddy.
Gonna say hi to Kitty? Gentle hands, remember? Oh, there she goes. Big jump. Dog's on babysitting duty now, huh?
I think he's funny, huh? Poor kitty.
The baby can't stop moving. Arms, legs, toes, everything's in motion like a little wind-up toy. The dog, still as a statue, just watching with those calm brown eyes.